Hi everybody, this is Bev Gray from Technique Tuesday. Today I get to show you our new release. The first stamp set I want to show you is called Christmas Cocoa. It was designed by Terry Anderson and it's really intended for card makers. Now another stamp set that's intended for card makers is called the Perfect Poinsettia, and it also has a matching set of dies. And this stamp set is part of our Greenhouse Society collection. Next up we have Dani the deer, and there's a stamp set that has phrases that can be used all year long. And then for every one of the images in this stamp set, we've also got a die that goes along with it. That's the Dani the deer crafting dies. Now if you're a memory keeper, this is the new Memory Keeper Studio stamp set this month. It's called Hello Winter, and you can use the phrases and the images to make a card like this one, or use it to make a layout like that. Now our Fresh Cut Studio die this month looks like this. It's called Sweater Weather, and I don't have projects to show you for that one yet, but I'll get those up on our website soon. And last but not least, I want to show you the calendar builder. Here's examples of how you can mask off to make calendars like these, and I'll have a more detailed video showing you how to do that in another video. Thanks so much for watching.